too.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow, this is so nice.
Thank you very much.
I had trouble finding here.
Oh, sorry.
No, the girl went out of her way to help me. Wow, it's so beautiful in here. What a beautiful place. When did you open this?
About a year ago, but
1 year?
before that I had a different place.
Other place?
Yeah, so this is my here.
Okay. And what was the idea when you started it?
It's a vegan company, so it's a place for providing a healthy food and a healthy way of thinking
Okay.
of life.
Was that your past? Was that your training? Healthy nutrition and lifestyle?
Opening a cafe was my dream. So
Okay.
that's the reason the name is a coffee dream, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I used to work for a company.
Oh.
Yeah. So, but I got pregnant without any plan.
Okay.
And my job is just overseas sales department.
Oh.
So I had to travel a lot, but I became a single mom. So I have to give up my career in the company.
Right.
So I was thinking what I'm gonna do in my whole life.
Yeah.
And I was interested in raw food and vegan food, and I've been studying. So I thought maybe that's gonna be
Nice. Congratulations. I've been following you, and I thought I could come sooner. I was living in Yokohama before the pandemic for 3 years, but traveling in and out of the country. And then when I went back to Vancouver, I couldn't come back. Japan Airlines said now is closed. So now my primary reason for coming is the Japan Jazz Tour with Tamami. I wanted to see this. We could do it here. Sure. No, because some places we have are 15 people and 23.
14 seat. 14 seat.
Could some could stand?
Yeah.
She can do solo. She just brings a small keyboard, but her voice is beautiful, and it would be something that we could promote together to help her and help you. You think about it. You let me know. We have a schedule, and we can work around even during the day or earlier in the day or night, late. It doesn't matter.
Okay. I have to ask because the back of the this cafe has a small. It's not a hospital, but a little, what do you call it?
Clinic?
Yeah, clinic. Clinic. So if the music is loud, maybe they cannot accept. So I have to check.
She's pretty quiet, but I understand. And her voice is beautiful, both Japanese, English. She was born in Tondabashi, Osaka. I'm thinking I will message you the schedule, what we have now, the 13 dates all over Japan. In Nagoya, the only place we have so far is it's called OND, and it's like a music school with live performance. I'm sorry, I don't know the station.
Even when I cannot make it, my community member, she's a singer, and she knows a venue a lot inside.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then I can maybe introduce.
Please, please, I would like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I will look.
Yeah.
No sense of time or gravity, no hatred, no negativity, but there are thousands of stars. When you touch me, I feel it completely.
This is such a cool place.
Oh, thank you very much.
Wow, you designed it all?
Yes.
You did so well.
Yeah, it's my hobby too. Interior.
Interior design?
Yeah.
So nice. You could do this all over if you have people like you with a passion for.
I want to do a consultant rather than running a place in the future. Yeah, I love to create. I love creation. It's just fun for me. So in any way, like building or drawing or music or whatever, I like creating from nothing.
I saw your menu with the back pages. You have different kinds of healing and aroma. So there is a treatment room here, and you are trained for all of it, everything.
I run everything by myself here.
You are a one-woman shop.
Yeah, for people to be happy and relax and being healthy.
That sounds good. The soup and bagel?
Yeah.
Is that simple for you?
Yeah,
It's
that one.
perfect. You're not open every day.
No. Only 3 days a week right now.
3 days.
Yeah,
Okay.
11 to 3, but I extended to until dawn from this month.
Until
Till sunset.
Sunset.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is okay.
So 3 days for the cafe. The treatments are by appointment.
Yeah.
By appointment. Then I noticed you also resell beauty and health products,
It's essential oils.
essential oils.
That is my another job actually.
Okay.
This is a network business.
Ah, okay.
So I do all the business beside of this cafe.
Okay.
I have workshops, courses of
Oh,
aromatherapy.
so you stay busy.
Yeah. So
You don't need more business then. Okay, I will make the YouTube so that it keeps people away. No, what we'll do is we'll highlight the different aspects and then let people decide if they want to call you.
yeah, of course.
Hi, how are you?
お持ち帰りですか？いいといい。あ、はいはいはい、どうぞ。
これアルマ屋さん。
ほら、あるじゃん。ねえ、あるでしょ。今日は元気だね。
Did the government help small businesses in Japan?
Yeah, they have not a support, but they have a system of loan for less interest.
Wow. That looks spectacular.
Thank you. So today's soup is the cream of mushroom. Yeah.
Cream of mushroom?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
the bagel sandwich. So this bagel is also organic, and I made it here.
You made it.
Yes, everything is.
Wow.
Yeah.
When you don't sleep?
No, I just sleep a lot every day.
Oh,
yeah.
good.
Yeah. So
Looks
the green
delicious.
salad.
Looks delicious. Itadakimasu. Come into Cafe Dream, into Kari's place. Right away you're greeted with wonderful smells and aroma. Part of it being to do with her essential oils business. And so in the air, even in the washroom, the toilet where I went to wash up, is amazing, soothing, relaxing smells. Then the next sense I noticed was sound. You can hear wonderful music being played in the background. And that all leads towards the aesthetics of this place. All of the beautiful interior design which she loves to also do, being a one-woman shop. In the back is a treatment room where she can do a variety of body, health, holistic treatments for people by appointment. And then, of course, it all culminates, comes together in the food, the organic food. Vegan, organic, all made on site, all made by her. So the way I understand from talking to her is as she balances her busy schedule, she allocates so much time to each of the areas of her business and truly is a good small business owner with a program that's working for her and that could work for others. I think she would be a great advisor or consultant to people that are considering having a business just like this one, somewhere in Japan or maybe eventually outside of Japan. So let's try the food. I think it's going to be amazing. It's going to be delicious. Oshi.